Singapore, it's raining, so if you see like water drops on me, that's why. And it just sparked a thought in my brain where I remember reading information on how they were saying that Singapore was basically structured based on the blueprint for Jamaica. One tree, I add another tree a little bit. But I remember reading the information where they're saying that in the 60s, after Jamaica gained independence from Britain, the president of Singapore came to Jamaica to basically observe, take notes, you know what I mean? Learn from the Jamaican government and do the same for Singapore. And he came back to Singapore, and I think it was like 3 years or 5 years later. I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, sometime later, Singapore was able to gain independence. And at that time, Jamaica and Singapore was basically in the same place. They were both poised for success. And now, from the 60s till now, whole heap of years later, Jamaica still out here suffer, and Singapore has developed into this amazing first world country that so many other countries are trying to be like, and Jamaica just out here just there. Because I just watch a video with the Ministry of Finance saying that they're going to lift the they're going to increase the threshold on the import of, what is it? When you're coming to Jamaica, you used to get $500. Now they might increase it to $1,000. And when you buy things off of Amazon or so, they must switch it from $50 to $100. And I believe they did that not to make the country better or to encourage people to do better, but just to get votes. And me just look on it and I said that's the reason why we can't better. That's the reason why we can't reach it, because we have the same blueprint. So if it two we have the same cheat sheet, why only one somebody will pass the test? Another perfect example of this is with Devanos. Because from what I can see, Singapore prioritizes the environment, saving the environment, preserving the environment. So you find in the airport and everywhere there is lots of trees planted, and it's like them take every chance them get to ensure say we get 100% oxygen. Look on Devanos, historic. Singapore is a new place, you know. They don't have as much history as Jamaica. And look on Devanos, somewhere that we should consider preserving as part of the history of Jamaica. Devanos, where a lot of tourists come to Jamaica and book tours to go and experience the Jamaican ice cream and learn about I don't remember who did own Devanos, but yeah, book tours and whatever. I did the tour once and it was really entertaining, so I know say tourists will like it too. So them take a place like that and them mow down all of the tree them and pave over the whole thing. Like, ooh, I come up with them ideas here. Jamaica is, if I should put a number on it based on what I see, we're what? It's probably like 80% dependent on tourism. That's why when COVID comes, so much people are suffer, so much people hungry. We don't have no other economy because we sell off everything. We sell off the ports, we sell off the mining of bauxite and the production of aluminum. We sell off the airlines that we have. We sell off the airports because enough people don't know say, I know Jamaica manage the airport them, you know, that's why when they have no AC for months and nothing happen because enough feed them money. I invest in it. You don't know what gonna happen. Something needs to change with this Jamaica we live in, because I can't, this a place here get the same blueprint. As a matter of fact, and I get the same blueprint is Jamaica blueprint, and them copy Jamaica blueprint and implement it so well. Jesus. But Jamaica can't seem to make one road pave.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.